Cleaning and maintenance recommendations for the X2D. First, determine your interval based on usage. If you print more than 5 hours a day, clean your XY axes monthly. To begin X-axis lubrication, use a lint-free cloth to wipe the linear shaft back and forth until all oil stains and filament debris are removed. At this time, inspect the belt surface and clean it with a non-woven cloth if any stains are present. Next, apply lubricating oil evenly along the linear shaft. Use 1 to 2 drops every 5 centimeters, ensuring you lubricate both the upper and lower shafts. Now, move the tool head back and forth slowly, 3 to 5 times. It is critical to move at a slow speed to allow the graphite bearings to fully absorb the lubricant. Moving too quickly will push the oil onto the frame instead. Finally, lightly wipe both ends of the shaft with a lint-free cloth to remove excess oil. This prevents dust accumulation and ensures your motion system stays clean and smooth. Now, let's move to Y-axis maintenance. Start by using a non-woven cloth sprayed with isopropyl alcohol to thoroughly wipe down both the left and right linear shafts. Ensure all residue and dust are cleared. Once the shafts are clean, apply lubricant oil to the exposed sections of the shafts. Then, manually move the tool head to the front and back to reveal the spots that were previously covered. Apply oil to these remaining sections to ensure complete coverage along the entire length. Now, move the tool head back and forth 3 to 5 times. This allows the lubricant to fully soak into the bearings. Finally, use a lint-free cloth to wipe away any excess oil, keeping the linear shafts clean and free of debris. Repeat this exact process for the left linear shaft. Wipe with alcohol. Apply oil. Move the tool head and fill in the hidden spots. With both sides oiled, move the tool head back and forth along the entire Y-axis 3 to 5 times to allow the lubricant to fully soak into the bearings. Finally, use a lint-free cloth to wipe away any excess oil from both shafts, ensuring the system is clean and ready. Now, let's perform maintenance on the Z-axis. Start by powering on the printer and using the control panel to lower the heat bed to its lowest position. Move the bed carefully. Do not press the button repeatedly, as this can cause the bed to overshoot and impact the bottom of the frame. Once the bed is lowered, use a non-woven cloth dampened with alcohol to wipe down the left and right lead screws, the linear shafts, and the rear lead screw. Ensure no residue remains in the thread gaps. Pay special attention to the contact areas between the lead screw nuts and the screws themselves. If you spot any stubborn filament debris trapped in the threads, use a pair of tweezers to carefully remove it before proceeding. Apply lubricant grease evenly to all 3 lead screws. Then, switch to your lubricant oil and apply it to the left and right linear shafts. Next, use the control panel to move the heat bed from its lowest to its highest position, cycling it back and forth 3 to 5 times. Finally, use a non-woven cloth to wipe the very top and bottom of the shafts. This removes any excess oil, filament debris, or foreign matter pushed to the ends, leaving your Z-axis smooth and protected. Because this cleaning step might have wiped away some of your fresh lubricant, go back and reapply a small amount of grease and oil to those end sections. This ensures the entire length of the lead screws and shafts remains fully protected and ready for your next print. Now, let's finish the Z-axis maintenance. Once you've applied your lubricants, use the control panel to cycle the heat bed through its full range of motion. Lower the bed completely to reach the bottom sections, then bring it back up. This ensures the linear rods and lead screws are fully coated. After the cycle, check the lead screws for any excess grease that is bunched up at the ends or along the threads. Carefully wipe away this extra grease with a non-woven cloth. Removing the excess prevents debris from sticking to the screws while ensuring the internal threads remain perfectly lubricated for smooth movement. Now that the linear rods and lead screws are thoroughly cleaned and lubricated, you must perform a full calibration. This process will run the motor noise cancellation, vibration compensation, and auto bed leveling. These steps allow the printer to recalibrate its sensors to the new, smoother movement of your axes. Once complete, your printer is tuned, serviced, and ready for your next print.